Hi, I'm Duncan Gunn, founder of Build, Build, Build. I see that some of you are asking about how can you build your own home. Now, there are a few things to look at to start with. Let's take a step backwards and say perhaps your current home can be adapted. Now, this is far more environmentally friendly, sustainable. The reuse of buildings is one of the key components to good sustainable design and a good sustainable future. But so look at that first. Look at see whether you can remodel your home, extend it, add annexes into the garden, perhaps, and so on. So that will be a less expensive way of doing things, a faster way of doing things, and an easier way of doing things. However, you may not want to do that, so you may want to build your own new home. Now, you can adapt an existing building, or you could apply for planning permission to knock down your existing, perhaps it's a smaller home on your plot of land, and rebuild a new one. That will count as a new home. So even though there's a house on there at the moment, be prepared to have to jump over the hurdles with planning, with them thinking that this is a new build home. Okay, your alternative is to find a plot of land. So you could go through, for instance, use a software like Landtech. You could talk to local agents. As always at Build, 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 we suggest, although agents are brilliant, looking at the right agent is trying to get off-market sales. So Landtech is very good at that, identifying plots of land that would be suitable for you. Find the area you need, think about that. Perhaps get a design professional to either give you a little bit of sort of inexpensive early advice, just so that you can get a brief together. You can take that brief to either landowners or estate agents. You could go to the auction rooms, whether online or otherwise, or the real auction rooms, physical auction rooms. So there are different ways of doing it. So if you have a look at our website at www.build-build-build.co.uk, it's all the information is in the text below. We can really help you. Thanks.